Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope everybody had an amazing Happy New Year's. Today guys, we're gonna make Hasselback potatoes. These potatoes are thinly sliced, roasted to golden brown perfection, then filled with cheese and topped with bacon, sour cream and green onions. You can literally pair this dish with any meat of your choice. I have good recipes that can pair well with this dish, and I will leave the links of the videos somewhere up here guys. Go check them out. These Hasselback potatoes are crispy on the outside, soft like baked potatoes on the inside. They are mouth-wateringly delicious guys. Before we start, I would like to take this moment to thank you guys for the comments and likes you leave me on daily basis. I know I don't have thousands and thousands of followers, but that does not worry me. I'm appreciative of those I have. Thank you guys. Let's get started. Here I have 4 potatoes that are washed and dried. We are going to use garlic powder, rosemary, butter, there's salt and black pepper in here, and olive oil. We're gonna start by coating our baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray, then set aside. Next, we are going to cut a thin side of each potato so that it's easier to hold them on the cutting board when we slice them, and also when they bake they can sit flat on a baking sheet. Next, we're gonna lay 2 chopsticks about 2 to 3 inches apart on a cutting board. Then we're gonna place the potato between the chopsticks and make 1/4 inch slices across the potato, making sure that we don't cut through the bottom of it. The chopsticks will serve as a bumper of salt to prevent this from happening guys. The biggest trick to making this recipe successful is making sure to make uniform slices in your potatoes. Otherwise, you risk breaking off part of the potato and it won't turn out quite so perfect. That's why I'm using the chopsticks. They will help make sure all your slices are the same depth and keep the potato intact. Transfer the potatoes to a greased baking sheet. You can line your baking sheet with parchment paper or foil. Next, we are going to oil evenly on both of the potatoes, then sprinkle a bit of salt on top of the potatoes. I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake this for 25 minutes until the slices of each potatoes have started to separate and crisp. Meanwhile, in a small medium saucepan, mix together butter, dried rosemary, and garlic powder. Melt the butter over medium-low heat. Remove from the stove, add salt and black pepper, mix well and set aside. At 25 minutes mark, remove the potatoes from the oven, brush with melted butter mixture, and return back to the oven to cook for another 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're gonna remove the potatoes, brush them with butter, then pop them back into the oven and cook them for 10 minutes. The whole process is gonna take 1 hour. After 1 hour mark, remove the potatoes, stuff the potato slices with cheese, return to the oven and bake for about 10 minutes until cheese is melted and starting to bubble. One thing I can tell you about these buttery, cheesy Hasselback potatoes is they are fantastic. But the great thing about potatoes is you can add all kinds of flavor. I hope you'll try this recipe. Leave a comment and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.